Grass does not belong here in Phoenix, Arizona. My name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping, and I'm actually going to do a video on this very subject, why grass does not belong here. To start off with, grass is not native to the Phoenix area or any desert climate. You know, if you go travel the country, a lot of parts of the country, you see grass on the side of the freeway, grass on trails, grass everywhere. You don't see that here because it doesn't naturally grow here. So we actually have to cultivate it and specialize and make sure that we have lawns that can survive here, which goes into my next big reason. It's Bermuda grass. Bermuda grass is the primary majority of what grows here in the Phoenix area. It's actually considered an invasive weed throughout most of the country. And in fact, in Utah, it is banned. You cannot plant it. Obviously, it probably grows around. It's not like you're gonna get fined for it, but you can't actually put down any Bermuda seed or lay down any Bermuda sod in the state of Utah. And it's because they just realize it chokes out a lot of the other healthier grasses and plants. And it's the only grass that really grows well here. It doesn't even grow well in shade. So it's a real challenging seed to deal with or grass to deal with. And it's because it just doesn't really belong here. So if you're gonna plant grass, we recommend that you strategically put it in smaller areas that you'll get use out of it. We really enjoy clients that that install artificial turf. This still needs maintained, cleaned up like anything else. But turf, if you can save on the water and have a green lawn instead of having to maintain an invasive species for your turf area. So the last reason, of course, is we're in a drought. This is a tough time of year for us. We've been in a drought for a long time. The Colorado River isn't getting, any fuller. And even if we get rid of all the lawns, I don't even think it would make an impact. But if we can do our part by decreasing our water usage on our lawn areas, maybe convert to artificial turf or even reduce the amount of turf that you have. You definitely don't put it in a front yard. I mean, unless there's really no point unless you're hanging out playing football in the front yard. I just don't see the value in having turf in the front. And if you're gonna, use turf in our grass in a space, recommend it for maybe a backyard, just a small patch, something maybe for your dog or so you and your family can enjoy. But for the most part, we love taking care of properties that don't have any grass at all, that we just maintain the bushes and trees and have a beautiful desert landscape. There's a lot of opportunity for just a zero-scape yard that looks fabulous without any turf or grass at all. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at azlawns.com. Also subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube channel at AMS Landscaping and follow us on Instagram and Twitter at AZLawns. Make it a great day.